This is the student board of Whiteboard.fi. So I'm going to add my name. I'm going to click Join Whiteboard Class. Once I enter the room, I have this view. And here is where I can toggle my teacher whiteboard. I'm going to click on Toggle Teacher Whiteboard, and there's my question. I can move down on the page, and I can draw how I'm feeling. I can add a happy face or an emoji. I can add text. You can change the size of the text. Sometimes this gets a little hard for kids to manipulate, but if they just keep working with it, they can kind of make it larger, and they can change the size and so on. They get used to it a lot quicker than we do. If their words start going off the page, sometimes I just tell them to hit enter if they can't figure it out, and that's fine. So I can untoggle my teacher's whiteboard. I'm going to, from the teacher end, I'm going to push out a question. And notice when I push out my question, it erased the content and my question comes out here, and it notifies me that my teacher whiteboard was pushed out to me. So we have to make sure that when we're pushing out content to our students that we do it at an appropriate time so they don't lose their work. I'm going to click up here. I can save my whiteboard as an image if I need to turn it in on Google Classroom. I can leave the room here. And that's pretty much it. I can add other whiteboards. I can subtract my whiteboards. And then we have all these options up here that you can use that are outlined in the Whiteboard.fi manual. I hope this helps that you can see the student view.